What's up, my dear traders? Very welcome to Utum's Trading Academy. And do you want to become a professional and profitable day trader? So guys, let me teach you how to become a professional and profitable day trader. Alright, my dear traders, so far so good. Today also, as usually, in my live account, $2,000, and the first investment is going to be $400, and I choose the AUDC currency pair, and let's push up, guys. And let me explain what's going on with this market, guys. Market strategy with this currency pair AUDC guys. So look at this, guys. It went up and went down, and right now it's growing up, guys. And pay attention on this green candle and the previous green candle, guys. There are no shadows in the bottom of these green candles, guys. It means, guys, there is a really good and strong opportunity with the buying option, and so that's why I decided to invest $400 with this trade, guys. So and also, guys, what about the AUDC currency pair, guys? It's showing me 90% of profit I can cash out today, guys. So by the way, it means, guys, if I'm investing $100, I can cash out $190, and my profit for this one, guys, $760 profit, guys. So today, guys, first trade, and let's push up with $400. And let me explain, guys. Here also no shadow in this green candle also, and about, guys, $760 profit means, guys, 400 I invested, I cashed out $760. It means, guys, my clean profit is $360, guys. So it's a good one, guys, for today first trade, guys, for the first trade. And let's let it go. So far so good. And guys, don't forget to follow my VIP Telegram channel and be a community member in my VIP Telegram channel. There it's available my tactics, my analysis about day trading and trading online updates and additional educational things for improving your trading knowledge, guys. So there are a lot of things, guys. Just follow my VIP Telegram channel, guys. Don't forget about it. So look at this, guys, another $760 profit, and let's follow the trend. Let's wait, be patient, guys. Be patient. Okay, let it go. What's going on with the market? So let's push down. Yeah, let's push down, guys. So let me explain what's going on, guys. Here, according to the overbought zone, RSI indicator overbought zone, guys, it has been reached into the overbought zone, and it's time to push down right now. So so far so good. That's why I just wait, and then I started push down, guys. So patience is the most important thing for day traders, guys. If you don't have patience, so you will lose your money every day, guys. So that's why we need to analyze the market and get the real-time analysis through RSI indicator, moving average, and everything. You can use those oscillators, indicators, oscillators, and get the real-time analysis about the market strategy, market behaviors, and then you can put your investments, guys. So and guys, look at these, guys, another $760 profit. Let's change the currency pair, guys, currency pair, and let's push up with this trend, guys. Trend is our friend always. I'm telling you, follow the trend, guys. Look at this, guys. It went down, it was in the bottom, and it's growing up right now. Little bit, it's growing up. And also pay attention on the RSI indicator, guys. According to the RSI indicator, it has been reaching to the oversell zone, and now it's a little bit growing up, guys. So, and guys, if you need more additional educational videos like this, watch my previous videos. There it's available how to use RSI indicator, how to use moving average, what is the overbought zone, what is the oversell zone, and everything, guys. Watch my previous videos, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also hit the like button for this video, guys. Don't forget it. Okay, all right guys, subscribe right now, and then I'm gonna show you my another profit, guys. Look at these, so where is it? Yeah, $720, guys. Look at this. So far so good, I'm happy, and let's push up, follow the trend. I think today it's really calm and quiet market, and market strategy also kind of something like that. And yeah, so far so good, guys. Did you subscribe my YouTube channel? Guys, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more additional videos like these, guys. And please hit the like button. And also about my VIP Telegram channel, guys, everything in my description. You can find it easily. You can follow my Telegram channel and be a member, and let's share our day trading knowledge there, guys. So far so good. What's going on? Oh shit, I think I'm in a crisis period right now. So no, yes, I made it, guys. I made it. $720. I made it, guys. So I think what to do, guys, let me think, guys. Let's push up or push down. Wait and see, guys. Let's we need to be clear with the market strategy and how to behave the candles, guys. So let's push down, yeah, because I think, yeah, it is a kind of fake candle, guys. I can guarantee you that it is a really kind of a fake candle. It's showing it's growing up, but it's really not growing up, guys. So look at this, as I told you, guys, time to climb down, guys. Oh no, shit, no, go down, baby, go down. So it's it didn't reach into the overbought zone, by the way, but it has almost reached into, yeah. So okay, push down. Where the hell are you going up? Push down, make my profit. Okay, all right, I'm gonna make it. Made it, guys. $720, another profit. And guys, look at my live account, guys. $4,040 in my live account right now. I started up with 2,000, and my clean profit is $2,040, guys. My dear traders, if you are using really strong tactics and analysis for your day tradings, guys, you can become a really profitable and professional day trader like me. That's why I'm highly recommending you to follow my instructions, stay with my channel, and guys, let's meet with another profitable day trading video with Utum's Trading Academy. See you and take care, guys.